My name is Joshua Hilligas and my job title here at Sheen Panels is Apprentice Panel Beater.
My name is Paul Brown. I'm a Sheen Panel for 18 years, first year apprentice at a panel beater.
My name is Tanny Thierry and I'm a panel beater.
My name is Dom and I am a first year spray painter. I picked this trade because I've always been passionate about restoring cars, especially old cars.
I picked this trade because I love working on cars all the time. Favourite thing, honestly, working at Sheen would be working with the qualified panel beater here. He's sort of like my mentor. He's amazing, helps me out with everything I need to know.
My favourite thing here is the people. We all get along so good, we're like a family.
The boys that work here, yeah. The boys are funny as.
I would tell somebody that was thinking to work at Sheen to come here for great environment. They look after us so much.
People are next level here at Sheen. I love them. They definitely make the workplace better to come to.